over the years, everybody's dug their own drainage ditches and flood control channels on their properties, and we keep the water moving away.
We actually got how much seat? Here in Santa Clarita at Canyon High School, we opened up last night at 6 p.m. and it was really precautionary for anyone who felt unsafe. You know, it was a little bit before the weather came in, but we wanted to be here for the residents just in case. We didn't have anyone stay overnight with us, and in fact today we still haven't had anyone come in. And that could be a good sign. That means people have a safe place to go, and they don't have to rely on shelter.